Alright, I am smashing this phone today. This is the LG Pantech phone with Verizon. This phone has caused me so much pain and grief. Here's the backside of it for everyone who has this phone. Here we go. Let me go ahead. It's turned on, so I will open it. I don't know, it's turned on, but you probably can't see on because it's really bright. So here I go. Should I smash with this end or this end?
The flat end.
Flat end? Alright. This is not glass, it's plastic, so we'll see how this goes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, nice. It's not glass, but it's still cracked like it was glass.
I feel like it's gonna shatter on me. That's
okay.
awesome.
There goes the back of it. There goes the battery.
Smash the battery.
Okay. Here's a hole in the towel now.
Eli's smashing his phone.
Alright, let me use the pointed side. Now, this thing is surprisingly well built.
I thought it would shatter into like a million pieces at first.
Yeah, this thing is taking quite the hit.
Looks like it's beating up the towel as well.
It's falling apart.
Oh my gosh.
Almost there, guys. Wow, that was a pretty good hit. Look at the side of this thing now. Okay. Just about done.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, guys.
Now we smashed the battery.
I'd say we did pretty well. Here's the battery. Okay, the battery is smoking.
Oh.
Okay, I don't know what's coming out of the battery, but I probably should not touch that. So, there's your LG Pantech phone. I thought it was plastic, but this is shattered glass, so I guess there's plastic over the glass or something.
That's weird.
Alright, thanks for watching.